Okay, 33 wants us to solve, right? So A, it's a quadratic, so let's get all the terms to one side. 2x squared, I'll add 3x to both sides, then I'll subtract 2, right? So what we could do now is we could see if it's factorable, right? So I have 2x squared, and I have negative 2, right? So 2x squared is going to be 2x and x, right? That's it. And negative 2 is going to be negative 1 and 2, or 1 and negative 2. And then we have to reverse one of the columns, x and 2x. Now when we multiply the outers and multiply the inners and we add them, we're looking for a positive 3x. So the first one is this one, and this one would give me the outers are 4x and the inners are negative 1x, which is positive 3x. So we got lucky. We got it on the first try. So this factors to 2x and x, and then negative 1 and positive 2. So zero product property says 2x minus 1 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. So 2x equals 1, x equals 1/2, or x equals negative 2. So written as a solution set, it's negative 2, positive 1/2 are the solutions. Okay, for B, let me make space. B, we have 2x minus 3 squared plus 4 equals 0. To me, the easiest way is just going to be to subtract 4 from both sides. And then we look at this and we see something squared equals a negative number. We know that nothing squared is going to give us a negative number, so that's no solution, right? We can't take the square root of both sides. The square root of negative 4 is not a real number. So this is no solution.